Hello. Good evening. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Baba. I was having a lot of internet issues, so last time we were doing circles. The first part I had explained all the concepts. Good evening. Yes. Now I had given a few sums of straight lines for homework. Have you done them? Given you a square and the center of the square was given. Center of the square, the coordinates are 2, 3. 2, 3 is the center, and the two sides of the square are parallel to the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. I know there is a lot of internet issue today. My voice is not clear. Hello? Hello? It's clear? Okay. See, the two sides of the square are going to be parallel to this. So obviously its equation will be of the form 3x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0. Correct? Now the center of the circle is given and the side of the square is given as 6 units. So obviously the center is going to lie at 3 units. This is going to be 3 units. So is it not the distance of this point from this line is going to be equal to 3 units? Yeah, correct. Superb. So it is 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3 plus k upon, what is happening? Root of 3 square plus 4 square, which is 25, mod of this will give you value of this perpendicular distance. Correct? Are you getting it? So did you all get mod of k plus 18, ये 5 है जो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके I'll take it there, is 15. So plus or minus करो. So मतलब k plus 18 is either 15 or k plus 18 is minus 15. Somebody has got. Yeah, my microphone is still only. There's a lot of. See, there is a lot of internet issue in my place today. So I was unable to get connected also. We'll try for some time, otherwise we'll have to reschedule. I'm so sorry. You got the values of k, minus 3 or minus 33. So you got the two equations as 3x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 33 is equal to 0. Oh, you got it right. Very good. Now the other two sides of the square, ये और ये, are perpendicular to this. So अगर इसका slope है -3/4, so slope of the perpendicular line is going to be 4/3. Yeah, is equal to 0. It didn't come. It is equal to 0 only. Yeah, na, हाँ. Now slope of perpendicular lines is 4/3. So your equation is going to be 4x minus 3y plus Mandar, you are finding difficulty. See, because now my internet is a big problem. Only at one particular place now, I'm getting the network. So it is not my usual place. So, you know, I've taken the laptop on my lap and this board and everything. So just tell me if you're getting too much problem, huh? Okay. So it is 4x minus 3y plus c is equal to 0. Again, the distance is going to be 3. So 4 into 2 minus 3 into 3 plus c upon root of 4 square plus 3 square is going to be 5. So you all got the value of c. You will either get 16 or minus 14. Same as this. This is 8, correct, minus 9. So it is mod of c minus 1 is equal to 15. Mod of, you got it? You want me to repeat? Okay, sure. Did you understand that the lines are going to be perpendicular to those lines? So अगर ये दोनों lines का slope -3/4 है, तो ये दोनों lines का slope होगा 4/3. Correct? So 4/3 slope मतलब 4x minus 3y plus c is equal to 0. अभी ये दो lines का भी perpendicular distance from the center is going to be 3 units. So ये आ गया mod of c minus 1 is equal to 5 3s plus 15. So when you remove the modular sign, c minus 1 is either plus 15 or minus 15. So my values of c are either 16 or minus 14. So your equations are 4x minus 3y plus 16 is equal to 0 or 4x minus 3y minus 14 is equal to 0. Lot of background. See, today I'm helpless because of the at other places, at my usual place, I'm not getting the internet at all. So I'm sitting in the open. If you are not able to hear me, just tell me. I'm so sorry. This was a homework sum. Did you get the right answers? Please check. Who's not able to hear? Not, Acha Tuhin, you understood this? Okay, Mandar, you are not able to hear. This was the homework sum. Thank you, Tuhin. This was the homework sum. Did you get the answer is right? Did you get the right answer? Lot of background, I understand. But see, if I sit at my usual place, I may have to cancel the lecture. I was trying for the last 15 minutes. I was not getting the network. I am also helpless, and when the Wi-Fi is not working now properly, it's my, you know, nothing remains in my hand. That is a problem. It's proper now. Okay, great. So you got this. You got this answer, correct? What was the other sum? Equilateral triangle wala na? I remember a line passing through 2, 2, 2, 2 meets the lines y minus x root 3 is equal to 0 and y plus x root 3 is equal to 0. Matlab, if you write this in slope intercept form, it's equal to y is equal to mx and y is equal to minus root 3x, and both the lines are passing through the origin. So ये है 0.00, तो ये है 60 degrees, ये भी है 60 degrees, बिकॉज इसका स्लोप है माइनस रूट 3, मतलब ये होगा 120 degrees, तो ये भी 60 है. करेक्ट? यू ऑल गॉट दिस एज 60 degrees और ये भी 60 degrees है. So what kind of triangle is this? See, I asked sir, but he told me to continue with this circles. If you want complex numbers, you please speak to sir directly. Okay, thank you. I don't mind taking any topic, but you know, let's follow what sir says. So if you equilateral triangle, that's correct. ये equilateral triangle है. So you tell me, how will this line be? Okay. How will this line be? Tell me. It's going to come parallel to the x-axis because ये y-axis रहेगा, which will be perpendicular bisector. So this line will come parallel to the x-axis. Correct? So your AB will be, line AB is going to come parallel to the x-axis and it passes through 2, 2. So what is its equation going to be? Its equation is going to be y is equal to 2. You all got it right? Yeah? Okay. Now can I continue with the circles ka sums? Now what is given to you? Y is equal to 2x is chord to the circle. Y is equal to 2x is the chord to the circle. X square plus y square minus 10x is equal to 0. Find equation of the circle with this chord as a diameter. Oh yeah, Tuhin, yes. Yes, you are right. Let me complete this sum, then I will do the previous sum. Yes. Thank you so much. Let me just complete this sum. Okay. Y is equal to 2x is the chord to the circle x square plus y square minus 10x is equal to 0. Now find the equation of the circle with this chord as a diameter. Perfect. Kaise mila? First, you will have to, you know how to draw this. Put y is equal to 0. So x ka values are 0 and 10. So 0, 0 and 10, 0, 10, 0. Correct? हमारा circle ऐसा होगा. Now y is equal to 2x. This is the chord of the circle. Now अपने को ये circle का equation निकालना है जिसका diameter y is equal to 2x. You understood the sum? So what we need to do is, मैंने ये figure कैसे निकाला? एक तो origin से pass हो रहा है because there is no constant term. Then I substitute y as 0. So I get values of x as 0 and 10. So matlab it's cutting x axis at 0, 0 and 10, 0. Yeah, sure. See, my analysis is x square plus y square minus 10x is equal to 0. So in the absence of constant, it is definitely passing through the origin. And if I put y as 0, I get two values of x, that is 0 and 10. Matlab the circle is passing through 0, 0 and 10, 0. ऐसा circle जा रहा है. Are you getting? अभी ये सर्कल की chord है. Chord to this circle is this, which is y is equal to 2x, whose equation is y is equal to 2x. Ayush, are you not able to hear me, beta? It's passing through the origin because in absence of the constant term, 0, 0 will always satisfy the equation. It is not the center of the circle. The circle is passing through. The circle is passing through the origin because in the equation of the circle there is no constant term. Hence 0, 0 will always satisfy the equation of the circle. अभी अपने को वो सर्कल का इक्वेशन निकालना है जिसका ये डायमीटर हो, this. Are you getting? And y is equal to 2x also is a line passing through the origin. मतलब I will have to solve this equation of the circle and equation of the chord. So I will get the coordinates of the point of intersection. एक ये है, एक ये है. So which becomes the end points of the my required diameter. Correct? So you solve y is equal to 2x. So x square plus 2x the whole square minus 10x is 0. So 5x square minus 10x is 0. That is x square minus 2x is 0. Getting it? So x is either 0 or 2. So if x is 0, my y is also 0. If x is 2, my y is 4. Are you getting it? So what are the endpoints of the diameter? 0, 0 and 2, 4 are the endpoints of the diameter. So find the equation of the required circle. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So x square minus 2x plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. Got it? Yeah. Yes, 100%. See what happens now when you're solving it by MCQ method and when you're solving subjectively, no? You have to follow a particular method only. Whenever you're getting the points of intersection, you have to take, you have to solve them simultaneously. Otherwise, the radical axis would be very easy to solve. You got it? Okay. Now, Tuhin, coming to some, I think we had got the value of P as plus or minus 5, no? Correct? P square is equal to 25 in that previous sum, no? Last times. You remember a line formed the triangle of area 50 by root 3 square units, wala? I remember that sum. If the perpendicular from the origin makes 60 degrees with x-axis, here normal lies in first or third quadrant is given. That's why we considered only two cases. First and third was given. Did you understand? Tuhin, the normal lies in the first quadrant, the normal lies in the third quadrant. If you remember, I had drawn it ऐसे. ये 60 था. Yeah. You know, because that was an MCQ sum. So one of the options, see, the other options are not given only. You understand? So I checked it. It is only first and third quadrant. But since I'm drawing, I can explain you all. यहाँ 60 degrees है. अगर ये बाजू से 60 degrees करते हैं, तो ये हो गया मेरा 120, which is not given, but just showing you. हाँ? So 120, मतलब in first case you will take angle as 60. Then 120 दिया नहीं है. Third quadrant में दिया है. So it is 5 plus 60. Correct? And यहाँ दिया है fourth quadrant, again it is not given, but you will take it as 300. 240. You understood? So this is given and this is given. So we got the two answers. Is that clear? Okay. Now, can I give you one sum to try, please? Okay. Find the equation of the circle. Find equation of the circle through 1, -4, 5, 2, and center lies on x minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. X minus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0. Cancel this. Center lies on this and the circle is passing through the 2 points. How do you draw this? सर्कल का सेंटर तुम लोग पकड़ लो h, k. H, k. Now, sir, the center lies on this line. मतलब x के जगह h, y के जगह k. ये मेरा रहेगा इक्वेशन नंबर 1. This is equation number 1. Okay, try. No problem. Take your time. See, please, 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 do not use methods what we have learned in shortcuts. Yes. Two points on the circle are known to you. 1, -4. So distance between HK and that, and distance between HK and 5, 2 will be equal. तो एक distance formula से निकालो. You can take, yes, certainly. No, 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 not at all. I'm not talking with respect to that. H minus 5 the whole square plus K minus 2 the whole square is equal to H minus 1 the whole square plus K plus 4 the whole square. ये और एक equation मिलेगा. So you have to solve them simultaneously, get the values of H and K, which will give you the center of the circle. तो सेंटर पता है, कोई भी एक पॉइंट ले लो, डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला से अपने को रेडियस मिलेगा. So you know the center, you know the radius, you can get equation of the circle in center radius form. वो simplify करो. Zoom. Not able to hold it on. So H square and K square will cancel from either side. Take all H on one side, all terms on K on one side. Yeah. You got the equations? 8H 8H, because this and this I'm taking together. 8K इधर आके then 12K is equal to 12. आया? Check, for minus 40, absolutely right. 15, check answer. Only the constant term, the rest is okay. So you divide ये आ गया. So you solve this equation with the earlier equation. Correct? So your H minus 2K is equal to minus 9. And this, these two when you solve orally, 2H will cancel. 7K minus 20. Get the value of K as 3 and H as negative 3. आया सबको सेंटर आया सबको -3, 3. Solving these two equations simultaneously. Great. So this is the center, and how to get the radius? The distance between -3, 3 and कोई भी एक point ले लो, 5, 2 भी ले सकते हो. So the radius will give you root of 5 minus -3, that is 8 square, plus 2 minus 3, that is -1 square. So it's going to be root 65 units. Correct? So equation becomes x plus 3. My voice is cracking a lot. I'm so sorry. Madam, lecture reschedule करना है क्या? If they're not able to hear. Shubham, what is not clear, beta? Voice? What is not clear? May I know, please? Hemangi, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible to reschedule the lecture or something, because बहुत लोगों को problem आ रही है आवाज.
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Because not lot of disturbance, because I'm not sitting at usual place ना, because
Right,
उधर तो
right.
internet मिल रहा है. बच्चों क्या करना है बोलो? अभी somebody is writing, now it's clear. Anything is fine. ऐसा लिख रहे हैं बच्चे. If it is possible to reschedule now, because this problem doesn't come every day. It's clear from the beginning, somebody is saying. Should I try for another 5 minutes? Otherwise you can reschedule also, madam.
Okay, ma'am.
It's, huh? Don't cancel, only 20 minutes. Chalo, then we'll continue. No problem. Huh? No
Okay,
problem. Look at the watch. Good, I'm so happy. Okay, let's try. I think the next sum. Find equation of the circle passing through the origin and having intercepts 4 and -5 on coordinate axis. Bolo. The circle is passing through the origin मतलब एक पॉइंट ये है, intercept, this is 4,0 आ ही नहीं रहा है because I am not able to write properly. And नीचे है 0, -5. So actually तुम लोगों का सर्कल पास हो रहा है ऐसा कुछ. ये है 0, -5 नीचे का. Are you getting it? That is called the intercept, where the circle is touching the x-axis is the x-intercept. तो सर्कल के 3 पॉइंट्स है, 0, 0 है, राइट? ऐसे पास हो रहा है 0, -5 and 4, 0. Now don't you think कि ये diameter रहेगा? क्यों बोलो? Why will this be the diameter? Because this angle is 90 degrees and diameter subtends a right angle, correct? So don't you think these are the extremities of the diameter? 4, 0 and 0, -5 will be the extremities of the diameter. Correct? Everybody clear? 4, 0, 0, -5, they become extremities of the diameter. because this angle is 90 degrees. Then you use a diameter form. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 5y is equal to 0 is the equation of the required circle. Somebody wants to see the question. 1 minute. Here. Find the equation of the circle passing through the origin and having intercepts 4 and minus 5 on the coordinate axis. Om, did you get that? Welcome. Now, can I go to the next sum? Anybody still doing this? You want to see the whole sum? Got it? All of you? Then I will start with the next sum. Sum number 5. Find equation of the circle passing through two comma 3 and touching the line two x plus 3y is equal to 4 at 2 comma 0. Sure. You take your time to solve. Did you do that? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 3y. अरे किसका आंसर है यश? Just check the answer once. ये लाइन दी हुई है 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is touching at 2 comma 0. अगर आपने ये लिया है h comma k सेंटर, यस गणेश बोलो, स्लोप भी निकाल सकते हो ना? That will be एक इक्वेशन स्ट्रेट k minus 0 upon h minus 2 will be negative reciprocal. You will first write nicely that slope of this tangent is minus 2 by 3. Since center, this is C and isko bolo P. Since CP is perpendicular to the given line and the slope of the line is minus 2 by 3, so slope of CP is going to be 3 by 2. So 2K cross multiply karo. 2K is equal to 3H minus 6. 2K. एक इक्वेशन मिला अपने को, करेक्ट? ये इक्वेशन. Everybody got this? ये एक इक्वेशन है. And get another equation now. You can find distance formula से. ऊपर का point 2,3 है ना ये. This is a part of the sum. ये point है 2,3, which lies on the circle. Did you apply distance formula? That is h minus 2 the whole square plus k minus 3 the whole square is h minus 2 the whole square plus k minus 0 the whole square. So don't open this bracket at all. This straight cancels. So k square will also cancel. So minus 6k plus 9 is equal to 0. Right? So k आया 3 by 2. K आया 3 by 2 minus 2, 0 is this point where the line is touching beta. This is 2, 0. This line is touching the circle at 2, 0. The point on the circle is 2, 3. Getting? So distance of HK from 2, 0 is same as distance of HK from 2, 3. That is what I did here. And I got the value of K as 3 by 2. तो अभी K के वैल्यू K अगर 3 by 2 डालते हो तो मेरा H आ जाएगा 3 by 2. H आ जाएगा 3. Because twice K will be 3. So 6 plus 3. 3H is 9. So I get H as 3. I got my value of H as 3. So center here 3, 3 by 2. Right? The radius अभी करो. Length of the perpendicular, distance formula निकालो. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. ये जो दिया हुआ लाइन है ना 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. तो तुम लोग सेंटर से परपेंडिकुलर डालो 3, 3 by 2 से लेंथ ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर will be equal to the radius. Correct? So radius is mod of 2 into 3 plus 3 into 3 by 2 minus 4 upon root of 2 square plus 3 square. That is going to be root of 13. So it is 2 plus 9 by 2. That is root 13 by 2. That is your final answer is going to be root 13 divided by 2. Yes. Yes. See, funniest part is family of lines, family of circles. सारा निकाल दिया 11th standard के लिए. It is, we can use it for JEE, we can use it for CET, but if you use it in the 11th standard, that is irony. You got it? So you have to just follow those methods only. So equation of the circle is x minus 3 the whole square, u plus kv equal to 0. वो सारा निकाल दिया है. Plus y minus 3 by 2 the whole square is equal to radius square, that is 13 by 4. So simplify karo. You'll have x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 3y plus 9 by 4 is 13 by 4. So 13 by 4 minus 9 by 4, so 4 by 4 तो 1 हो गया, correct? So you will have x square plus y square minus 6x minus 3y minus 8 because of minus 1 okay इधर आएगा is equal to 0. This is the right answer. See if everybody gets it. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. बोर्ड में नहीं चलेगा. They will cut the marks. Yes. अरे they are very strict. They are very strict. हाँ +8 है राइट या +9 एंड किधर गया +8 ही रहेगा कभी पेन से आ ही नहीं रहा है हाँ +8 इज इक्वल टू 0 मैंने बोला 9 - 1 इधर आएगा या आ गया you don't use what is not there in the syllabus when you are writing your 11th standard paper. See, you people are lucky that you have only MCQs this year because of the COVID. Otherwise, if you have subjective paper, you have to stick to the syllabus only. Okay? Can I go to the next sum, please? Anybody is still writing, completing? Koi hai? No. Okay. Then we go to the next sum. Find. आज पेन ही उठ नहीं रहा है because I'm not at my usual place. Equation of the circle with center है 3, -2 and cuts off (4x - 3y + 2 is equal to 0). Yes, but see, probably next year you will have a subjective paper, na? See, now though it will be MCQs only, it's very clear. But make a habit of sticking to the syllabus for solving subjective. कर रहे हो ना सॉल्व ये सर्कल है सेंटर है 3, -2 -2 ये है लाइन if this point is A, this point is B, ये AB है 6 units. ये लाइन है 4x - 3y + 2 is equal to 0. Your answer and तुम लोगों का ये क्या आया रेडियस 5 आया 5 x² + y² - 6x + 4y -12 is equal to 0 is the right answer. अगर ये पूरा 6 है ना तो तुम लोग ये दिस हाफ विल बी 3 और ये लेंथ ऑफ द परपेंडिकुलर निकालो फ्रॉम 3 टू ऑन दिस लाइन. So it's going to be mod of 4 into 3 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 upon 4 square plus 3 square, that is 25. So radius आया तुम्हारा 4 units. Sorry, ये length of the perpendicular आया 4 units. सबका आया. ये right angle triangle है. पाइथागोरस से radius निकालो. ये radius आ गया 5. Then find the equation of the circle. X minus 3 the whole square, y plus 2 the whole square is equal to 5 square. So x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y, 9 plus 4, 13 minus 25 minus 12 is equal to 0. Got it? All of you got this now? They'll give you equations of the circles in standard in general form. Is first में x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. You have to find the center and the radius. Center and radius निकालना. How do you do it? Comparing it with. Write the standard equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx. You need to write this. Plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. We get 2g is minus 2. Correct? So I get g as minus 1. 2f is 4. I get the value of f as 2 and the value of c is minus 4. You all got it? Therefore, center, you have to write all this. Center is minus g comma minus f. 1 comma minus 2. And radius आ गया square root of g square plus f square minus c. 1 square plus minus 2 square minus minus 4. So radius is 3 units. And the last one you take, second one in that, 4x square plus 4y square minus 24x minus 8y so what you do? मैंने उसी दिन बोला है divide by coefficient of x square dividing by 4 आ ही नहीं रहा है dividing by 4 क्या आएगा x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. लिखना है सब comparing it with correct. So you have 2g is minus 6. So G is -3. So abhi I am doing orally because I have given you the step. So center आएगा -G, -F. So 2G is -6. So G is -3. So -G will be 3. 2F is -2, F is -1. So -F will be 1. And radius will be root of G square plus F square minus C. So 4 units. Okay. Is that very clear to you all? Okay, ma'am, then I'll take the leave. I'll take your leave, all of you. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.